Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Progesterone ELISA kit. So as you can see, this is the top and the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So this, as you can see, this is the Calbiotech Progesterone ELISA kit. You can see the reference number here, PG3628. You can see it has a standard expiry of 2 years. It's a 96 well plate ELISA kit, and also you can find the manufacturing address over here. It is manufactured by Calbiotech in California. It has an optimal temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. That's the reason why it is placed on a gel pack. And also you can see the pack content. That contains the coated well plates, the controlled and the standard test, the enzyme conjugate, the wash buffer, the stop solution, the substrate, the certification of analysis. So these are the contents present inside the Calbiotech Progesterone ELISA kit. So let me show you the other side. It's an immunoassay kit. You can see it is manufactured in the United States. You can see the Calbiotech manufacturing address. You can see it here. Then, so let me show you the other side of the kit. So let me open this kit and show you. Okay. So guys, as you can see, first we have the Calbiotech Progesterone ELISA kit instructions for use. As you can see, this is the Calbiotech Progesterone ELISA kit. You can see the catalog number here, PG362S. It's a 96 well plate ELISA kit. You can see it is a progesterone ELISA kit used for the quantitative measure of progesterone in human serum or plasma. So this is the IFE brochure of the kit. So then we have the certification of analysis. So this is the certification of analysis for the progesterone kit, the ELISA kit. So it contains all the necessary details and the expiry dates present for the reagents. Then we do have the streptaviridin coated well plates. You can see this is the streptaviridin coated well plate. This is the 96 well plate which comes with the progesterone ELISA kit. Apart from that, there are a couple of reagents which comes with the kit. So let me take the reagents out. Yeah. So let me arrange this for you. So guys, as you can see, these are the reagents which comes with the kit. So let me tell this reagents. This is the progesterone control 1. This is the progesterone controlled 2. Then we have the enzyme conjugate. Then we have the standard 1. Then we have the progesterone standard 2. Then we have the progesterone standard 3. Then we have the progesterone standard 4. Then we have the progesterone standard 5. And I presume this would be the progesterone standard 6. Yeah. So these are the controls and the standards for the progesterone kit. Apart from that, we do have the anti-progesterone biotin reagent. Then we have the progesterone assay diluent. Then we have the TMB substrate. Then we have the stop solution. Then we have the wash concentrate. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Progesterone ELISA kit. As you can see, this kit comes with the streptaviridin coated 96 well plate. Then we have all the reagents, the standards and the control for the kit. Then we have the progesterone ELISA IFE brochure, the instructions for use brochure. Then we have the certification of analysis for the progesterone kit. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Progesterone ELISA kit. Thank you.